Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video that I find very interesting. They have brought us a Seat Toledo 1800 injection, but the problem with this car can be found in most vehicles. The problem with this car is that, when cold, it starts perfectly. You drive and after 20 minutes the engine stops. You try to start and it doesn't start, but if you wait 10 minutes it lets you start. But you keep driving for another 15 to 20 minutes and it stops again and so on. Then, he brought it to the workshop yesterday and explained the problem to us. You cannot put the diagnostic machine on this Seat Toledo because the OBD is destroyed, but we already told you, that almost with all certainty, that the problem comes from this piece, because we have seen it many times. It is the crankshaft position sensor. Notice that, in addition, this is the one that has 3 pins in the connector. This uses the Hall effect, to the measurement of magnetic fields, this and S. That by means of an electric current, creates an electromagnetic field and in this way, as it is next to a toothed wheel, which is coupled to the crankshaft, it knows the position of the crankshaft at all times. This part normally begins to fail when it heats up, because it supports dilations. And those dilations affect its operation and it does not give the ECU the reading of the position of the crankshaft and then, to protect the engine, what it does is stop the engine immediately. But as I said, then you wait 10 minutes and you can restart the engine, and as I say it does it continuously. So if you have this problem, I'm telling you, that almost certainly the problem usually comes from this part, okay? Well, here I leave you this short video. If it has been useful to you, then do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.